my garden. Charot. Hindi pala garden to. Vacation today is Sunday. Tingnan mo yun. Say hello kayo. Hello. O diba? Pababa kami. Ang ganda. Ganda. Look at that. Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo. Lusin yung lahat.
May mga bahay-bahay.
Ang ganda, Tess! Eh, bahay-bahay daw. Asa? Tingnan nyo.
Ano, tingnan mo.
Oo, diba?
May mga bahayan doon, no, sa baba.
Ay, naibahay.
Oo.
Hala. Panalo. Ganda talaga. The best.
Hindi ko nakita doon.
Te, ingat, te.
Hindi ko nakita yung
Ang ganda.
wala, nasan dyan ako ang bato.
Hala.
Nasan dyan kong bato.
Perfect. Ang ganda dito. Perfect.
Tingnan mo.
Beautiful! Dito na ako titira pag nanalo na ako ng loto. Vacation for 1 week!
Aya!
Oh my God!
Ay, picture?
Oo. Ma!
Ganda!
O Arya.
Perfect dito. Ganda dito, guys. Kakaiba. Tingnan nyo sa likod ko. Panalo yung mga kasama ko sa likod ko.
Ito pala sa baba. Oo. Doon sa baba, tilot.
Tara, tara.
Go down?
Yes! Bababa kami. Oh, di ba? Ganda ng lugar. Panalo. Andito ako ngayon sa Bukidnon. Ang ganda. Wow. My God. Mga flowers. Ganda ng lugar. Oh my gosh. Pa. Oh. Asa kayo dito? Baba, tatara. Hoy. Ganda dito. Look at that. Flowers is the best.
Very peaceful. Quiet. No need of aircon. The wind is breathing.
Shh. Wow. Look at this. So beautiful.
This area is cool like this because of so many trees.
Oh. Wow. My God. So beautiful. So very nice. Ang ganda ng pagka ng isip nito.
face, just butt.
Ah.
Yun, there.
Mm. God. It's beautiful. Let's go. Can I see over there? Let's go, let's go. Jump, let's go!
You should come here for team building.
Correct. I think you will put apron here and about us.
Oh, team building.
Oh,
It's enough. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
beautiful.
I think one day is enough.
One day.
Imagine waking up in the morning with this view.
I think in the morning it's too much fog here.
Piling ko pwede na rentahan.
Oriental niya siya.
Overnight. Ayan. Overnight yan.
It's nice.
It's nice.
They have kitchen
Very
inside.
nice.
I think so. Yeah, they have.
Very nice.
I think you take video that you
In my-
it shows that you come out from there and then you wave so that it will show that you rent a big room.
No, I don't like the color.
It's very still. I think before this is good because it looks like silver.
Oh, oh. But now it's rain
Hmm.
stains.
It's there.
Let's go to waterfalls. Come on.
I don't think
It's a river.
Come on, come on. There is a river, waterfalls.
That's a river. It's nice to talk to me. It's nice.
they have
Beautiful.
Even if they will pay me 100,000 pesos to clean everything here, only
Strawberry.
not clean.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Ah, they have solar panels. Ano? Ay, yeah! Ano? Is it my photo?
Baby strawberry.
Ayun, oh.
Baby pa man.
Sige lang. Ano? Arya, oh.
Baby pa na. Hoy, let's go. May CCTV. CCTV. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
big. Or maybe they already have. This is the trap bag.
I think the river is somewhere there.
Why did she stop?
It's my world animal.
It's open here too.
Perfect way.
Going back. Yeah, bees.
falls. Yeah, to the falls. Hala.
This big place, villa, I don't know, but it's so beautiful. Have a name.
Smile.
Welcome to Mailog. Mm. Water station.
The rent overnight for 1 month. O, tinawa, di ba? Ganda!
You should go. I don't want stairs anymore.
Look at that, dada.
Ay, Arya, this is nice. Ay, Arya, this is very nice.
Come on. Coffee time.
This sa phone ko, te. The plants here are like plastic plants.
Yeah, they look like plastic.
So what do you say about for the tour for today? Ayan. Are you tired?
So beautiful and so tired. I can literally catch my breath.
How about you, Sir Jeff?
Thank you for coming. Wala, ang aquarium, oh.
Look at that aquarium.
Lot of flowers.
Yes, a lot of flower.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Very good. So beautiful.
This was a very bad idea.
Kung pumunta kayo dito, kailangan may kakotsi kayo. Kasi, may Ma'am, sabay kami. Tara na. Sabay. Let's go!
Wait lang, mama.
Oo.
Ay, sakay pala ako, ma'am. Sorry.
Ah.
Okay lang, ma'am. Baba pa din. Saan kayo, ma'am?
Doon sa
Restaurant?
restaurant po. Doon, pasakayan na lang na.
Di siya magsakay, ma'am, kung may kauban.
Dogi sa pangalan eh.
Papunta ko resto, papunta. May guest ko nga dala.
Tara na.
Are you okay? Come, baby. Baby. Huh? Ano siya? Palo. Ay, na naman ito.
Pwede bang pre-tour ba ni?
Ito, ma'am, may bayad. Pero ihatid ko lang kayo.
Sige, salamat.
Ay, dali tayo ulit.
Pag day tour, ma'am, 150 per
Ah,
Okay na.
Asan
Dali
ta?
tayo ulit. Kay may flowers na rao.
sige, tara.
Thank you so much.
Ramon man eh.
Yan, oh.
Ay, oo.
Look at that view, Arya. And that flowers.
Ay, oo. The flowers.
Pwede pa na siya magamit.
I think we should ride.
Oh.
Ano to ka-eat? Ayaw.
Ha? Welcome to my farm! O, diba? May mansion. Kita niyo yung mansion ko? O, kayo lang ba ang may mansion? Uy, ganda doon o! Mga flowers!
Saka sa tati.
Mga ganda! O, diba? Sige, saka na lang, Mibe. Kagigotom na, Mibe.
Kaya ba?
Mamaya na yan. Sana Havana.
Havana happen.
The weekend in the Bahamas.
Correct. Punta pa yung moon, oh.
Yan.
Sometimes pagi dito mo.
Lagi no.
Ngayon-
Salamat.
Thank you, ma.
Views is so beautiful.
Tired. Now I need to work.
Dito na kami sa restaurant.
The water is very cold.
Yung wifi ha.
Pasa lang man yun sa akin. Pasa mo lang na sa amin. May kanon na kayo.
The plates are huge.
Okay mga amiga, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and share in my YouTube channel. Thank you. Mwah. Mission accomplished. Bye. Ganda oh.